What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto called Synapse, however you want to pronounce it, which has pumped up 20%. For the reason is it has been listed on Binance will list Synapse in the innovation zone, so that is why it's pumping in value. So we're going to be going through its prediction. Is it a good time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and essentially looking at what is the best option right now for this crypto, and looking at its prediction as well over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Synapse go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I go into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is down today, as you can see, 3% down in the last 24 hours. However, we do have Synapse as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain 0.1%, nothing too crazy. Over the last day, 18%, and it all started off earlier this morning. As you can see, let's have a look at when it was listed, 10:30 a.m. UTC. So depending on what time zone you're using or you're in, then yeah. But going into the weekly chart, 12%, as you can see, quite a drop over the last few days, all up until earlier today where it pumped up, and over the month a massive 105% for the last 4 weeks, which is absolutely crazy, guys. As you can see, it's been very volatile, up and down. It's been all over the place over the last 4 weeks, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, which is all that matters right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 800% in the last 24 hours, making it $62 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase. A lot more people are looking into the project. Of course, it's a new listing on Binance, so we are going to see a lot of people looking into the project, researching about it, and also a lot of people investing into it as well, because they're expecting it to pump up in value. And also we're going to see a lot of sellers as well selling the crypto who have already invested into it, and a lot of holders. But again, the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Synapse, which is here in purple at $1.37. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at $1.64, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. The blue line is just about slanting towards the positive direction, and we do have the orange line looking quite bullish. So an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today. However, in between that time, I am expecting it to go through a little bit of a drop as well, down to about $1.45 to $1.50. Because of how much is pumped, it's only right that it goes through a little bit of a drop before it pumps back up to around $1.80 to $1.90 towards the very end of the day today, is what my expectations are as of right now. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange now looking very positive, very bullish, going in a steep direction, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting over the next, let's say, 7 to 8 days, yes, it is an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy. So by mid next week, we should be seeing Synapse trading over the $2 mark, is what my expectations are. Again, to some of you guys, it may seem not like a little increase. To some of you guys, it may seem like a major increase. Personally, guys, if we manage to give it about a week or so, we should, after it goes through a little bit of a drop over the coming hours and days, we should slowly be able to steadily gain value to about $2 towards mid to end of next week is what my predictions are. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We're not looking as steep now. We do still have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is literally slightly slanting towards the negative direction. Yes, it may look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, we can see that it's just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Synapse over the coming 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late April 2023. However, that is not what I'm expecting. I am expecting indeed an overall increase in value from Synapse over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say mid to late April, we should be expecting Synapse to be trading around the $3.50 target, somewhere around there. But again, guys, crypto is volatile. Any little news can have a major impact on the value of any cryptocurrencies out there, and of course, if there is such a major crash or a pump or a bull run, these things will also have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Synapse but the crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, Synapse, so far so good for the long term. However, for the short term, for those of you guys looking to go into it for the short term, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to drop back down in value before it pumps back up. So yeah, make sure your risk management is on point, especially when a cryptocurrency is pumping, just like what's happening right now with Synapse. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we have broken out from the red zone and currently trading in the green zone, and hopefully we should be able to stay in the green zone for now and potentially hit the resistance target of $1.98 over the coming days. So early to mid next week, as I mentioned earlier, we should be hitting the resistance target here and potentially breaking out into the dark green zone by the end of next week. We should be able to head into the green zone and trade around the above the $2 mark is what my expectations are as of right now. But again, this depends on any collaborations, partnerships that go on with Synapse. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting Synapse to hit $2? Is it in the coming hours, coming days, weeks, months, whatever it is? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And yeah, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.